Alright, I used some flex tape for this crack that was created when my drone fell last night. I think my drone crashed because I was flying while there was fireworks going on, and my GPS said no GPS, and I still took the chance of flying it. So I believe it was flying crazy, and it crashed through this tree next door. I should have did it in the backyard, but I was afraid of it getting hit by firecrackers. If I flew it last night in the backyard, it would have at least crashed in the grass. But you can't predict that.